Nisi ni pomedio, sam malo zločao. Zloč maske, brate, našao. Ne prepoznaš koga.
Srbije, ali u svakom slučaju vrlo značajna i za...
They are quite outstanding, and Mr. Miletić from NALED already mentioned that with NALED, together with the Ministry of Finance, and which is very nice that also has 50% females, by the way, have registered for more than 2.9 million workers.
Ministru financija Siniša.
Well, 1.6 million euros and about 2 million euros in taxes have been collected.
Dobar dan svima. Poštovani ministri, uvaženi predstavnici Međunarodne zajednice privrede, dragi kolege. Velika mi je čast da otvorim proširenu sednicu Koordinacionog tela za suzbijanje sive ekonomije i hvala vam što smo se u ovolikom broju...
About digitalization, well, it's very much about digitalization. Digitalization is a very important...
Možda malo da ga pogodiš pa da...